what's up guys? It's me, Deadpool, and welcome to the second episode of LR Beatbox Battles. Now you're probably wondering, what the heck is Deadpool doing here? Well, Lightning Raboot is gone, so for now I'm gonna be hosting this beatbox battle. In this corner, I'm too lazy to say his height. He can shoot finger guns and stuff like that. Today we have Mugman. Hello, fellow friends. Yee! Weirdo. Anyway, in this corner, he helps Sonic on his adventures. He's a real pain in the butt. He has two tails. Today we have Tails. Hey, I'm not a pain in the butt. Sure, I talk a lot, find stuff quicker, and yeah, but I'm not a pain in the butt. Amy says otherwise. Ha ha. Oh, shut up. Just shut up, you stupid cup. You talk weird, you know that? Alright, slow down. I don't get paid for this. Anyway, Tails, you're up in 3, 2, 1, go!
This will be an easy one.
Your IQ is low. I can tell. What you gonna do with those fingers? Cause you gonna bring them to myself. Your rhymes suck. They went down the drain. At least I know how to beatbox. Yeah. You think you're gonna win, but that's just silly. I have a smart IQ to know. Don't mess with me. Looks like I'm gonna get my first win. Yeah. I'm gonna get my first win. Wow, that sounded dope. Hee hee. Stop lying, bro. You know that beatbox wasn't good. Mine is gonna be better. Whatever, Mugman. It's your turn anyway. In 3, 2, 1. Go.
Cuphead never believed me when I said I was gonna win one day. If he's watching this, now he'll know I proved him wrong. Tells the fox you're looking mad stupid, eh? Wouldn't care you to go to the doctor. I'm gonna win this thing and that's a fact. You need to go see a doctor. Roger. Even though my IQ is pretty low, I don't have to be a big brain to win a battle like this. After hearing your beatbox, I wanted to puke. You think you're so special just because you're a big brain. That would be useful among us, the dead game. You think you're gonna win, but that's just silly. Take it.
Wow, Mugman. That was pretty cool. Nah, it sounded dumb. Like Koopa Troopas, but dumber. Oh yeah? Well, at least I put effort into mine. You're so stupid. You can't even beatbox. All you can do is be annoying. Annoying just like Chris from Sonic X. Oh yeah, you stupid cup? Well, let me show you how things explode. Oh shoot, oh shoot, oh shoot, oh no, 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 no. Well, looks like Lightning Raboot is gonna have to buy a new ring. Anyway, comment down below on who you think won. Well, actually, I'll post a poll, but anyway, I'll see you guys later. I'm Deadpool. Bye!